Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of x plus 3. Now, whenever we're solving exponential equations such as these ones, we always want to make the bases of the two terms the same. And right now, the bases are 9 and 1/3, which are nowhere near similar. So I'm going to change both of these bases to a common base, which is 3. So 9, this is equal to 3 squared. And 1 over 3, this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1. Because remember, anything to the power of negative 1, a to the power of negative 1, this is going to be 1 over a. So now we simply just replace these two terms with their values. So 9 is 3 squared, so now we have 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 to the power of x plus 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply just 2x. And now this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 times x plus 3. So now we have to distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So we have 3 to the power of negative x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. Because both the bases are the same, that means both the exponents have to be the same as well. So this means 2x is equal to negative x minus 3. So now if I add x on both sides, these two cancel out, and I get 3x is equal to negative 3. And now if I divide both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3x to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 3 on both sides. So now we have 3x to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3x to the power of x to the power of 3, well, this is equal to 3x to the power of x times 3, which is simply just 3x. and this is equal to, now, a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. Because essentially, both of these are equal to a to the power of m times n. So they can change places. So right here, we have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And this can be written as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. As you can see here, 3x to the power of 3x, both of these are the same. The exponent and the base are the same. And same with here, 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. The exponents here are the same. Meaning, this would equal 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, we can either do this in two ways. Our first way is doing 3 to the power of 3. Well, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so we get 3x is equal to 27, and if we divide both sides by 3, this cancels out, and we get x is equal to 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now, our second way is 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Second way is just simply dividing 3 at the start, and 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3, well, this is 3 to the power of 1, and if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 3 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 1, this is equal to 3 to the power of 3 minus 1, which is simply just 3 squared. And for our left hand, these cancel out, and we get x is equal to 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. So we get x is equal to 9. So that's our second way.